In Pre-Prep, we pride ourselves on a wide range of academic and extracurricular activities available to our pupils. Here, every child is celebrated for their individuality, and our mission is to foster an environment where curiosity is not just welcomed, it's encouraged. Our small class sizes focus the teacher's attention on the individual pupils, giving them the ability to identify and nurture individual and unique talent, skills and abilities. Our carefully created academic timetable allows teachers to focus on key subjects of phonics, English and maths each morning before welcoming specialist teachers to the department to share their expertise in lessons including PE, music and the languages. Of course, learning is not confined to the classroom here in Wycliffe Pre-Prep. We utilise the outstanding grounds and facilities available to us here at school, and whether it's exploring the outdoor classroom in forest school lessons or swimming lengths in the swimming pool, our pupils are always challenged wherever they may go. We provide the very best in wraparound and after-school care here at school. Our extensive extracurricular programme is built around the interests of each of our pupils. From sport to the arts, STEM activities to computing and coding, every interest is catered for right up until 6 p.m. at the end of each day. If you do have any questions about the Pre-Prep department, please don't hesitate to get in touch.